Across Africa, rangelands are alive with movement, knowledge, and possibility. They nourish communities, support biodiversity, and adapt in ways few systems can. And the people who know them best, they've been leading all along. But their voices are still too often missing from the decisions that matter. This is where that changes. On the 6th and 7th of May, join us in Nairobi and online from wherever you are in the world for GLF Africa 2026. Step into conversation shaping the future of rangelands and pastoralist communities. Meet the people restoring balance between land, livestock, and livelihoods. Exchange ideas, build connections, and be part of a growing movement across Africa and beyond, because the future of these landscapes is already being written. The question is, will you be a part of it? GLF Africa 2026, Stewarding our rangelands. Get your tickets now.